Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As you probably seen on my previous video, I was prepping and installing the Vertex body kit on my 350Z. I've prepped the bumpers, fitted them, they look okay, and then I also mentioned that I was kind of prepping the car to get wrapped. And after I finished with my bumpers and side skirts, I've tried to wrap the car myself. And then I figured out that I don't really have much skill for it, and it would take me a very long time and I would waste a whole bunch of material. And I decided to reach out to one of my buddies who's doing it professionally. He got the rep shop, it's called the AS Reps. Here is the link for their Instagram. So Alex, the founder of the company, picked up the car this morning, and right now it's 3 p.m. and he wrapped quite a bit already. I stopped by the shop to see how the process is going and to film a little bit of the process of how he's doing it, and I'm about to show you guys. Alright guys, the previous clip you've seen is I've been at the Alex's shop and he started wrapping my Z. So right now he's pretty much finished with the wrapping, and right now it's 10 p.m. on Friday. Tomorrow is drift event, and I've spent the last couple of hours assembling the car. I've put on all of the body panels. So here is some B-roll, if you could call it that, from the shop. And tomorrow in the morning for you it's gonna be in like 10 seconds. I'm gonna bring it outside and film it properly. So here it is. Okay, so we just seen some B-roll of the vehicle wrapped. I'm very happy about it, and right now, since I've decided not to go to the drift event, I have some time to do the splitters, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I have this sheet of D-bond. This is how material is called, and it's pretty much two very thin layers of the aluminum on the sides and the polyurethane plastic in the middle. It's pretty sturdy. It's I've had my previous splitters, they were made from exact same material, except that was 6mm thickness and this is 4. So what I'm gonna do, I've put the bumper on, and right now I'm gonna mark how far I need to cut. I'll mark the cut, I'll cut it, and then from whatever left material I'll have, I'll make some side skirts splitters, and yeah, so that's that. I'm right now deciding on how wide of a splitter I want. I don't think I really want anything white. I just want a little bit. It's more of a for protection, since the bumper is fiberglass and it's pretty low. So instead of rubbing and cracking the fiberglass, I will be rubbing on this debond material, which is pretty sturdy. So yeah, that's that. All right, so I marked my line, and right now I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. So we finished the car yesterday on Saturday, and today is Sunday, and there is a local meet, so I pulled up to the meet and I'm gonna show you some cars over here.
Kind of. I mean, I like just basically.
Alright, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please hit that like button for me and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.